Ratio and proportion have a lot of application in your daily life. Let's take an example. Janike Ma's idlis and dosas are very delicious. To make idlis and dosas, she uses udad dal and rice. 1 cup of dal and 2 cup of rice to make idlis. But for dosas, 1 cup of dal and 3 cups of rice. That is for idlis, the proportion is 1:2. And whereas in case of dosa, the proportion is 1:3. Let's take another example. Margaret makes great biscuits. She uses 3 cups of wheat flour with 2 cups of sugar. It means the proportion of sugar and wheat flour in a biscuit is 2:3, or you can say 2/3. There are some properties to be known before starting practice at 4.1. Let's see those properties. Property number 1. A is to B or A upon B. Over here, A is said to be predecessor, which is also known as first term. And in case of B is said to be the successor, which is also known as second term. Second property, in ratio of two numbers, if the second term is 100, then it is known as percentage. Let's see the third property. The ratio remains unchanged if it's multiplied or divided by non-zero number. Like for example, 3 is to B is equal to 6 is to 8. Over here, I just multiplied 2 with the first term and the second term. That is 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. It can be also written as 9 into 9 is to 12. That is, I multiply 3 with the first term and 3 with the second term. Let's take another example. That is 2 is to 3 is to 4. So there are 3 terms in this ratio. So I multiplied 4. That is 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12 and 4 4s are 16. Well, in this case, the multiplier or the divider is considered as k. If k is non-zero, then let's take this example as 3 is to 4 written as A is to B. So the A is to B, the multiplier can be written as A into K is to B into K. But in case of the other example, that is with the 3 terms, it can be written as A into K is to B into K is to C into K. The fourth property, both the terms of the ratio should have the same unit. You will understand the fourth property while solving the practice set 4.1. There is also a fifth property which you're going to understand while solving practice set 4.1. Practice set 4.1. First question. From the following pair of numbers, find the reduced form of ratio of first number to the second number. यहाँ पे आप इस sum को दो तरीके से solve कर सकते हो. Either you convert this ratio, that is 72 upon 60 into a reduced form. Like मैं 72 को 12 into 6 लिख सकता हूँ और 60 को 12 into 5 लिख सकता हूँ. Now both the number has to go with the common multiple, that is 12. Over here, for this number is 12 and also for 60 is 12. So you can cancel this 12 and 12. You get 6 upon 5. This is one way. Or you can directly do the cancellation. That is 12 6 are 12 5 are. So आपको same ratio मिलता है 6 upon 5. Let's see about 38 upon 57. So 38 upon 57. So यहाँ पे हम इसको reduced form में लिखेंगे. That is, we will have a common multiple. That is, we can write 38 as 19 into 2 and this as 19 into 3. So the 19 and 19 get cancelled, you get 2 upon 3. You can also do by the cancellation method. Third question, 52 upon 78. Now, the question is first number to the second number. So, जब भी आपको ऐसा क्वेश्चन मिलता है जो 72 है यहाँ पे फर्स्ट नंबर हो जाएगा और 60 यहाँ पे सेकंड नंबर हो जाएगा. In case of this also, 38 will become the first number, 57 will become the second number. 52 is the first number and 78 is the second number. First number is also called as predecessor and the second number is also called as successor. Now 52 upon 78. So that is, we can write this as 26 into 2 and this as 26 into 3. The 26 get cancelled and you are left with 2 upon 3. Second question, find the reduced form of the ratio of the first quantity to the second quantity. Now over here the fifth property will come. जैसा मैंने इंट्रोडक्शन में बताया था, जो आपको फिफ्थ प्रॉपर्टी है वो सम सॉल्व करने के टाइम समझिएगा. Now over here the quantity means the unit of the number. So 700 rupees and 308 rupees. So इन दोनों का जो unit है same है, that is rupees in the form of. That is why it is said when a ratio, the first number and the second number have the same unit, so it becomes unitless. So 700 upon 308. So we'll write this in reduced form. That is 700 can be written as 25 into 28 rupees. And also this as 11 into 28 rupees. 700 को हमने 25 into 28 लिखा और 308 को 11 into 28 लिखा. So यहाँ पे 28 और 28 cancel होता है. Now why does it becomes unitless? Because the unit also get cancelled with that. Or you can say it's always equal to each other. So you are left with 25 upon 11. So the ratio you get as 25 11. Second question, 14 rupees and 12.40 paise. Now in this case यहाँ पे जो यूनिट दिया गया है दोनों का is different. One is in the paise, one is in the rupees. Now make sure that whenever you convert something, you convert a bigger unit to a smaller unit. So यहाँ पे जो smaller unit है इस पैसे, you convert this rupees into 40. So now, so 1 rupee is 100 paise. So that means you can write 14 rupees as 14 into 100 paise. So you get 1400. And also the 12 rupees has to be converted into paise. So you can write this as, that is rupees 12.40 paise as 12 into 100 plus 40. जैसे कि हम लोग यहाँ पे रुपीस को 40 पैसे में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं, so you can also add the पैसे part with that. So that is 12 into 100 हमें मिलेगा 1200 plus 40, which will give us 1240. Now if you see both the numbers, that is in the first term and the second term, has get converted into same unit, same quantity you can see. So now when you take a ratio, you can also do the cancellation part if you want. Cancellation यहाँ पे बहुत ही easy हो जाएगा, simple हो जाएगा. You can also write in a reduced form, that is 35 into 40 and 31 into 40. So यहाँ पे 40 और 40 cancel होता है, you are left with 35 upon 31. But in case of cancellation, you can do ये 0 और ये 0 cancel हो जाएगा. You can do with foza if you want. So you get 4 3s are, and you get 2 carried over there, you get 35, and you get 4 3s are and 1s are, so 35 upon 31. So as the same ratio, so 35 upon 31 is your answer. Third question, 5 liters, 2500 milliliter. So we have to convert this into a same quantity, you can say same unit. So 1 liter, we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So 5 liter will be 5000 milliliter. So when you take in the ratio, that is 5000 upon 2500. So in the reduced form, you get 50 into 100, you can write, and 25 into 100. This both get cancelled, you are left with 50 upon 25. You can also reduce into a smallest form. This can be written as 5 tens. You can write this as 5 5s. 5 5 get cancelled, you are left with 10 upon 5. So 10 upon 5, you cancel, you get 1. So therefore you get 2 upon 1. The ratio at 2 is to 1. You can do it directly also, that is 5 0 0 cancel hota hai yahan pe. You can write this as 25, आप डायरेक्ट कैंसिल कर सकते हो यहाँ पे. 25 1s are, 25 2s are. So 2 upon 1 मिलता है, जो कि आपको सेम रेशियो आफ्टर रिड्यूसिंग फॉर्म में मिलता है. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, 3 years 4 months 5 years 8 months. So I recommend you, I suggest you कि you convert the years into months. So 3 years, 4 months can be written as 1 year contains 12 months. So it will be 3 into 12 plus 4. That is 36 plus 4 is equal to 40. Same as this, 5 years, 8 months. That is 5 into 12 plus 8, which is equal to 60 plus 8 is equal to 68. So now you can see both the numbers, that is your first number and the second number is converted into the same quantity. So you can take the ratio, that is 40 upon 68. So you get, जब आप इसको reduce form में लिखते हो, so you get 4 tens are, and this can be written as 4 15s are 60. You can write 4 18s are, 17s are 24, 17s are. So 4 and 4 get cancelled, you have upon 10 upon 17, which is nothing but 10 is to 17. Fifth question, 3.8 kg and 1900 grams. So over here 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. So you can convert kg into grams. So 3.8 kg will be 3.8 into 1000 grams, which is nothing but 3800 grams. So now both the numbers are in the same quantity. You can write this as 3800 upon 1900. So here the 0 get cancelled. You're left with 19 upon 38. So you can do it either. You can say you can do it. You can cancel it out and you can write it directly as, that is 2s and 1s. Or you have to write in a reduced form, you can write it as 19 into 200 and 19 into 100. 19 and 19 get cancelled. You are left with 200 upon 100. So your 0 get cancelled. You are left with 2 upon 1. Sixth question, 7 minutes 20 seconds, 5 minutes 6 seconds. Now you need to convert this into similar quantity. So let's convert this minutes into seconds. So the 7 minute, 1 minute is equal to, rather 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Right? We will convert that into seconds. So 7 minute 20 seconds. That is 7 into 60 plus 20. So this you get as 7 zeros are 0, 7 6 so you get 7 zeros are 0, 7 6 are 42. So 420 plus 20, which is 440. 5 minutes 6 seconds. 5 minutes 6 seconds. So this will be 5 into 60 plus 6. So this will be 300 plus 6, which gives you 306. You can take this into ratio, that is 440 upon 306, which is, you can write this as 22 into 2 and 150. This will be 220 into 2, and this will be 153 into 2. So the 2 and 2 get cancelled. You are left at 220 upon 153, which is, you can write this as 220 153.